In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Opera GX browser to default settings. Resetting Opera GX to its default settings is a simple way to restore the browser if you've changed a lot of options over time, or if certain settings are causing unexpected behavior. This process returns your browser settings to their original defaults while helping you start with a clean configuration. The entire process only takes a few moments, and I'll guide you through each part so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open the Opera GX browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where you'll find the Opera logo. Click on the Opera logo to open the main browser menu. This menu provides access to many of the browser's features and configuration options. From there, scroll down until you find the Settings option, then click it to open the browser's Settings page. After the Settings page appears, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This menu contains different categories that let you customize various parts of Opera GX. Scroll through the list until you locate the Reset Settings option. Once you find it, click on Reset Settings to continue. The next screen will display the option to restore your browser settings. Carefully review the information shown on the page so you understand that the browser settings will be returned to their default values. When you're ready to proceed, click the Restore Settings option. A confirmation prompt will then appear asking you to verify that you want to continue with the reset. To complete the process, simply click the Reset button. Opera GX will then restore its settings back to the default configuration. Depending on your computer, this may only take a few seconds. Once the reset is finished, you can continue using the browser with its original default settings, making it easier to start fresh and adjust your preferences again if needed. That's all there is to resetting Opera GX back to its default settings. It's a quick process that can help restore the browser's original configuration whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.